If you've been searching for a solid AI presentation maker that can generate some really amazing slides, you probably already heard of Gamma AI. Gamma AI is definitely a solid tool for making beautiful presentations, no doubt. But is it the only option today? Of course not. I found 5 solid Gamma AI alternatives that can also generate eye-catching presentations with just a single prompt. And I'm pretty sure most of them will be completely new to you. Alright guys, the first AI presentation tool is a new player on the market and it is called Present AI. Present AI works pretty much like most other AI presentation tools. You just tell AI what kind of slides you want and it creates them for you. So I want a short presentation on how AI changes the workforce, showing some stats. Then I just click generate, pick a template and wait a few seconds while I build the presentation. And after just a few seconds, here we go. As you can see, it already looks solid on the first try. Sure, it might need a few small layout changes, but overall it looks great. Just like in Gamma and other AI presentation tools, you can customize almost everything here. Text, images, layout, colors and fonts. And here is a quick tip for you. Using the AI image generator inside Present AI will cost you credit. But if you create or enhance images with ChatGPT or any other free AI image tool, you can simply download the image from there, enhance it with a third-party tool, and then upload it to your presentation again. It will save you a lot of credit. Present AI focuses on giving you a solid structure and great visuals, and the rest you can adjust here. But let's be honest, these kinds of AI tools save us a ton of time. And if you're creating presentations manually, just don't do that. I want to show you some cool features here. The first one is called AI Beautify Slide. It's a simple feature that instantly makes your presentation look a lot better. I found a random not so great presentation, then I upload it here, click the AI Beautify Slide button, pick a template. I'm going with this one. Wait a few seconds and just look at the difference. It's like night and day. And believe me, I've tried a bunch of other tools for creating presentations, and most of them just aren't worth paying for. Even though this feature is still in beta, it does a really good job and definitely has a huge potential. Present AI also offers a bunch of templates to choose from, and they are constantly adding more templates along with new features. After testing it for several days across multiple free accounts, I did notice some minor bugs, but at least it's not worse than Gamma AI, and maybe even better, and it has the same price tag, so that's the most important thing here. Guys, just don't forget to subscribe to my channel and we are moving forward. Alright, the next AI presentation maker is called Chronicle. So here you can upload your own presentation, start from scratch, or simply ask the AI to generate everything for you. I don't have a presentation ready to edit, so I will choose generate from prompt and ask the AI to create 12 easy habits for a healthier morning routine with slides that include social proof. Then we are clicking on the continue button, waiting a few seconds, and here you can see our storyline. Before we go any further, here is a cool feature. The app actually asks if you want to generate your presentation with AI images, without images so you can add your own, or just insert your storyline slide by slide for full control over the layout. And that's really cool because with Gamma AI and most other presentation makers, you don't get this much customization. So once the layout is set, it's tough to change it later. But let's go ahead and generate a full presentation with images and see how it turns out. Alright, my first impression, it looks solid. I really like this dark background, it feels super stylish. And if you don't like the background, you can easily change it on each slide separately. And just like in any AI presentation maker, you can tweak the style, change colors and add new elements to your slides like cards, sticky notes, timelines, diagrams and even badges or stickers. I really like the overall user experience here. It feels like I'm using some top-notch premium app. Big props to the Chronicle team for that. Now talking about pricing, you've got the free version and 2 paid plans. But as you can see, even the free version allows you to do a lot of things here. So feel free to check it out and we are moving forward. Alright guys, Pitch is another new player in the AI presentation space, and I would say it's built more for professional use. It's more focused toward businesses and teams, but of course you can still use it for personal projects too. So after you sign up, you can start creating slides from scratch with AI or upload your presentation. We are testing AI in every tool, so I'm choosing this one and asking AI to create a presentation about 7 tips to stay productive while working from home. Waiting a few seconds and here it is. You can change fonts, colors and then you can start editing it. And just like with other AI presentation makers, you can add slides by picking the layout you want, change colors, add backgrounds, and basically do everything you would expect from an AI presentation tool. But what most AI presentation makers don't let you do is add animations. And that's a big deal because animations grab attention and make your presentations feel more dynamic. It's a feature every AI tool should really have today. As I mentioned, Pitch is more about professional use, but if you want to create a pitch deck for investors, here you go. If you want to show the community what product you just launched, here it is. Or if you are working in a company and need to present some stats or insights to your team, Pitch is perfect for that as well. So I highly recommend to check out this AI tool and we are moving forward. Canva AI makes some really beautiful presentations, and I honestly don't get why so many people ignore it. So let's check out how it works. I'm asking Canva AI to create a presentation on the top 5 budget-friendly travel destinations with quick tips. And after just a few seconds of generating ideas, it gave me these templates. I'll go with this one, even though it doesn't look good as bright and sleek as Gamma AI or Present AI, but considering how feature-packed the Canva editor is, you can change pretty much everything here. Layouts, images, backgrounds, and use tons of ready-to-use elements. And that's really cool. What I like most about Canva is that it doesn't limit you with credit. Sure, you can just type in changes yet, but you can generate as many templates as you want and then customize them however you want. And I can talk for hours about Canva because I'm using it for my YouTube thumbnails, my personal projects, but you should definitely try it yourself. Mind isn't just for presentations, it also comes with a whole set of AI tools to help you create concept diagrams, timelines, and even create brainstorming maps. It's definitely worth checking out if you need more than just slides. Mind has already been featured in videos by other YouTube influencers, so it's not as new as Present AI, but it's still a solid tool for generating presentations from a single prompt. And here is something you should know. For better experience, you will need to download the desktop app and use it from there, since I couldn't find any AI-powered web app that actually generates presentations. So here I click on Create, then I choose AI Slides, and I'm asking AI to create a short presentation on different meditation techniques that will help everyone to relax and reduce stress. After a few seconds, we have this layout, and I'm choosing this free template and waiting while AI will do the work. Unfortunately, I can't make changes here because I'm using the free version, but paid subscription here will allow you to do almost everything. Like I said before, I'm not gonna waste your time going over basic stuff. I just wanted to show you some alternatives so you know it's not all about Gamma AI. There are other good tools on the market, and like I always say, the more solid AI tools you know, the more options you have to choose from. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you're looking for really powerful AI image generators that can generate really beautiful images and artwork, I highly recommend checking out these videos. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel to never miss a video about AI tools, hit the like button for YouTube algorithm, it helps me a lot, and see you in the next videos.